Oke, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mengenalkan nama saya Irfan Sotoma dari Program Studi Teknologi Rekayasa Internet. Jadi di sini saya akan membuat video hands-on untuk mata kuliah keamanan cyber itu dengan mengerjakan lab 3.2.6 enumeration with Nmap. Oke, di sini objektifnya kita menginvestigasi Nmap, kemudian perform basic Nmap scan. Oke, seperti biasa, required resource-nya kali VM Customize for Ethical Hacker Course. Oke, jadi yang pertama kita disuruh login ke Kali Linux, open terminal Windows, kemudian verify that interface network sync if config. Interface in the network. Apa tadi? Ya 10.66. Oke, benar. Oke, use the nmap v. Oke, nmap version 7.9.4. Read data warning, no target were specific, so null host scan at nmap down, null IP address, null host up, scan in 0.04 second. Oke, using the command nmap without specifying. Oke, kita akan ketik nmap untuk melihat perintah-perintahnya. Target specification. The main page for nmap provider is main nmap. Use the main page for nmap. Oh, di sini banyak sekali ya. Nmap main enable OS detection. Enable OS and version detection, script scanning, and untuk min-o itu sendiri, mana min-o? TCP connect scan. SS participation scan. Oke. Wait saya. To quick scan the DMS for active host, you can perform a discover scan. In a discovery scan, the scanning host send an ICMP echo request ping a TCP send to port 443, a TCP ACK to port 80, and an ICMP timestamp request. A response to any of the requests indicate that the host is up and the IP protocol stack on the host is functioning. Enter the following command to scan DMS network. Kita scan SN 10660 terus 24 starting nmap. How many active host location? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ada 7. There are 6 include the Linux host. Oh, berarti ini kan 7 udah termasuk Linux host. Oke, sekarang kita masukkan perintah nmap 10 6623. Starting nmap scan report for grapevine VM. Host is up, not shown. Request TCP port. Oke, di sini ada port-port yang open ya, yaitu port 21, 22, 53, 80, 139 dan 445. Oke, by default nmap perform a connect scan of 1000 most common TCP port. This make use of the operating system networking software to establish a full TCP connection. This type of scan create a lot of networking traffic and increase the probability of detection by intrusion detection service. You can also specify a TCP connection scan using the command option nmap st. And coba kita masukkan perintahnya. Nmap st. Starting nmap warning no target specification. Oh, coba 10 6 6 2 3. Okay. The include the sound open, status open, TCP sign act. There is a service listening on the close. Filtered kalau statusnya close, TCP-nya there is no service listening on the identify port. Kalau filtered no respond or an ICP destination unreachable message, this port is being filtered by a firewall. The option can be used to further determine information about the operating system running on the target host. Some nmap options require additional permission and must be run as a root using sudo command to find the. Oke, kita akan melakukan sudo nmap min o 106623. Starting nmap. Oke. Di sini outputnya lebih banyak kayak MAC address-nya. Dan device type-nya general purpose, running-nya Linux 4.x, 5.x, OS-nya Linux kernel, OS detail Linux, network distance 1 hop. What operating system target running? Operating systemnya Linux 4.15 dan 58. Kemudian kita masukkan perintah nmap v p21 sv t40 3. Starting nmap ping scan at the scanning 2 port. Complete pinging scan at the ellipse. Connecting at the scanning prevention discover part TCP complete connecting. Skip scanning. Okay. Port state TCP FTP FSF TPD service info OS unique receiver data another one IP address. What did you discover about the type of server data running? Oke, di sini dia menggunakan FSTPD 3.0.3 FTP servernya. Kemudian the operating execute OS detection version detection. The mean A scan can be very intrusive and therefore will be detected by many IDS system. So ensure that you have permission before attempting this scan outside of the lab environment to gather more information regarding the FTP servers. Enter the command nmap. Nmap p21 sv a 106623 file. Oh, bentar, salah. FTP server status. FTP server status connected to 10.666. Login is in as FTP type as CII, no session bandwidth limit. File 1 login FTP anonymous starting nmap port. Service detection. Examine the output on fnmap command. Notice that the output indicates that a connection was made between the Kali Linux system and the target FTP. How many files on the FTP server? 3. There are 4. Oh ya, 4 yang super dan file Kali. Ada 4 file. Dan what weakness in the FTP can enable the Kali? Permit anonymous login. Jadi FTP server ini sudah dikonfigurasi untuk permit atau mengizinkan anonymous untuk login. The earlier scan open port on together computer indicates that the SMB port 139 and 443 are open. Find more information on this port using the min A and min P command option. To min A option execute several functions including running of the default script. Specify more than one port to scan by listing them separately with a comma between them. Kita coba perintah nmap p139,445.10.6623. Jadi di sini sudah menampilkan output isi tentang TCP Open BIOS Samda S Samda SMBD. Debian service government account initiate guest authentication level user challenge ported. OS nya Windows 6.1, computer name GraphMind, NetBIOS, computer name GraphMind, domain, kemudian ada system time. Some of the information returned by the animation. From this information, it can determine that target computer is a member of a default group or group name workgroup, and that SMS port on is true. What is the NetBIOS computer name? Misalnya NetBIOS-nya GraphMind. Yeah. Nmap contains the powerful Nmap scripting engine NSA, which enable the programming of various Nmap options and conditional action to be taken as a result of the response. NSA has built-in script that enumerate user. One of the more commonly used script for SMB discovery is the SMB enum user NSA script. is the nmap NS script with the command. Okay. Script smb enum users NSE kemudian min p 139,445 10 66 23 keluar. Nmap script snb enum user NSE did the script uncover any NSE? If so, how many? To username. Oh, sorry. Ini pakai titik. Full name, oh ya, dia menggunakan 2 username ya. Normally select akun disable password not requirement. Arbiter dan master chief. A serious security concern in a existence of public share directory folder. You can enable the network share using another NSS script. Enum share NSA. To discover share directory on the target computer, use the nmap share enumerating script with the command. Oke, kita masukkan perintah nmap script smb enum shares nsa min p 445 10 66 23. This means the output in the output surname the n with the s character. How many hidden cells were discovered on the target? 1 2 3 3. Huh? How many hidden cells? Discovered on the target. IPC hidden. Anonymous secret rate. Type. Dix3. What a serious security risk is undercover in the script output read write. Read watch or baca dan edit. Oke. Jadi mungkin itu saja untuk pengerjaan lab 3.2.6. Apabila ada salah kata, saya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.